So whenever those hips come back here, I want you to think about sinking those hips, not allowing, like, you know how we get in a position for an RDL and we come down here? I don't want you to fall into that position. So I want you to think about hips and then sinking the glutes down, firing through. Okay? All right, so let's go ahead and get in here for me. All right, sit there for me. All right, let's come up just a little bit more for me, Chelsea. Just a little bit. You're a tiny little thing. All right, here we go. All right, drive up. Here we go. All right, we're set. Now let those hips fall, okay? Sink the glutes down and drive now. 1, right there. Go. 2. 3, there you go. 4. 5. 6, good, good, good. 7, push the platform away. Don't lift the weight, push the platform away. Come on. Good, 3 more. Breathe. Last one. Good, down. Good job. All right, come on over here for me. All right, that exact same stance. I want you to bring your heels up, but I want the ball of your big toe to be flat on the ground. Okay? Perfect. Okay, squat down for me. Good, up. Right there, 1. Not so far down. 2, right there, up. 3, good. 4, let's go. 5, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Contract harder. Drive into the ground as hard as you can. Contract harder, squeeze, squeeze. I want to feel it. There it is, there it is. Hold that contraction, let's go. Good, a little higher, right there. Come on, boom, 3 more. 1, 2, all the way. Excellent job. Just to here, right there, right there. Good. All right, you ready? All right, here we go. Remember, we're dropping those glutes down. Dropping those, go. Good. Not so deep, not so deep. Right there, right there. Good. Contract down. Drive right there, drive. Good. Right there. Good. Good, good, good. Good, plant those feet, fire those feet away. Good, good. Drive into that platform. Good, come on, stay strong. There we go. Come on, push, push. Good, 3 more, 3 more. Let's go. 1, breathe, breathe. Good, last one, stick the butt down, drive. Good. There you go. Good. Push the ground away from you, Chelsea. Good. Driving into the ground as hard as we can. Come on. Come on. Push harder. Push harder. I want to see those quads pop. Let's go. Let's go. Drive in harder. Let's go. 3 more. 3 more. 3 more. 1. Let's go. 2. All the way. Good set. Good set. Shoulders back, shoulders back, shoulders back. Okay. All right, here we go. Come on. Last one. We're the strongest here, okay? We're the strongest here. Let's go. Let's go. And drive. Good. Good. Plant those feet, heavy feet. Let's go. 2, 3, 4. Go. 5. Good, good. Go. 6. 7. Easy weight, easy weight. Let's go. 8. Come on. 9. 10. 2 more. 2 more. Come on. Come on. 1. Let's go, let's go. Good. Good set. Good set. Those last 2. Good reps. Right. Okay, feet are good. Let's bring your toes slightly out for me. Right there, right there. All right, here we go. Good. Good, a little higher. There it is. Come on, push the ground away. Don't lift yourself up. Push the ground away. Drive into the ground harder, Chelsea, harder. I want to see those legs shaking. We're not contracting hard enough. Let's go. Come on. There we go. Now we're working. Come on. Up, one more. Drive. Up, up, up. Good.
Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no